I'm Greg Powell, and this is Investors Insights.
You're listening to Investors Insights with Greg Powell, Certified Investment Management Analyst and President and CEO of Five Plan Partners.
Rolling in 3, 2.
Welcome to Investors Insights for September 2nd, 2014. Today we are changing our format based on client feedback. So many of you have said, Greg, I really like watching the vlog, but I'd like it in a more concise manner, maybe within about a 2-minute span, so that I could really just have the summaries and the bullet points of the week. So what we've done in our tradition, Franklin Bradford and Ashley Page and I meet early every Monday morning to go over the data from the weekend and the previous week, as well as what we see down the road. And so I will still be giving you those vlog reports here on our portfolio strategies, but keep in mind that they have participated in the discussions, the research, and the data. But we want to make it as concise as possible. So let me know what you think about this new format. You can email me at gpowell@fiveplanpartners.com or use the space provided on our blog. So let's talk about what is going on in the economy. First of all, we're still looking at GDP to be up 2% for the year. First half of the year, we're looking at up 3%. As always, we've stated this and sound like a broken record at this point, but and I dated myself with that comment, but the U.S. is still looking very strong from an economy standpoint and from the markets. The one thing to know is that international companies based in the United States but have operations throughout the world may feel the impact, though, of certain things, case in point, like the European deflation that's occurring right now. Also, Vladimir Putin is still on everybody's radar screen, and this week we're looking at the NATO talks and sanctions that are going to take place, and the tensions in that area could have some economic impact. We also are keeping a close watch on the terrorist issue that's coming out of Syria with ISIS. There's a big concern that the United States economy is moving right along, but it would take a terrorist attack, something like that, unexpected, to really slow us down. And so there's real concern that ISIS, who has American and British citizens now in their forces, who have passports and can legally get back in and out of the countries, could cause problems for us. And so there's a close watch on that. The other interesting thing is, from a historical standpoint, is that the S&P 500 has hit over 30+ record highs this year. And the thing we want to make note of that S&P Marketscope also pointed out is that in 1995, the S&P 500 hit 500, and the next 30 days was up 4.6%. In 1998, the S&P 500 hit 1,000 mark and was up 7.9% the following 30 days. In 2007, it was up over 1,500 to hit that mark and was up 2% over the next 30 days. And here we are in 2014, having hit 30+ record highs, and the S&P 500 is now at 2,005 approximately, give or take on when the market's fluctuating. And so we will be watching from a historical standpoint to see if we have a positive upswing 30 days afterwards. This week, the reports that we're focused on, the big one on Friday is the jobs report. On Wednesday, we've got the PMI report and the ISM manufacturing also, which are very important data, economic reports that we're looking for. And so we will keep you updated throughout the week. As I've gone through these bullet points, if there's certain ones you want us to talk specifically about in a future vlog, or you'd just like to talk one-on-one with us, feel free to do it. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. Give us feedback on this new format. And in addition to that, as always, we appreciate you forwarding it to colleagues, friends, family. The referrals that we've gotten from this vlog have been huge, and we want to continue to make it advantageous for you with information you can use. Thanks again.
More information at fiplanpartners.com. Securities offered through LPL Financial, member FINRA, SIPC.